Welcome to our guide on keeping your Airbnb dishwasher clean and well-maintained. We'll share essential tips to keep your dishwasher in top shape for guests. After each guest checks out, give that dishwasher some love. Check the filter and remove any food. Wipe down door edges, seals, and handles. All right, once a week, it's spa day for your dishwasher. First, show that filter who's boss. Rinse it under warm water, then check those spray arms. They're the superheroes. If you can, pop them off. Check for clogs. Now, for the grand finale, wipe down the interior. Once a month, go a little deeper. Hard water can leave its mark. Break out the big guns, use a descaling agent or mix vinegar and baking soda. Clean the interior and spray arms. Check the rubber door seal. Clean mold and mildew with warm water and detergent. Ensure everything's flowing smoothly. Keep those dishes sparkling. Prevention is key. Use quality detergent. Teach proper loading. Test your dishwasher. Talk to your guests. Communication is key. Add a section for the dishwasher. Keep it simple. Keep it clear. It's all about setting expectations. Dishwasher 911. Sometimes things happen. Don't panic. Check spray arms and filter. Run a cycle with vinegar. If all else fails, call a professional. Happy cleaning, Superhosts.